احنا وضع所在咧，更多挑战。站！
非常感谢我们的舞团的精彩表演，大家记得桌上还有红。
一个，可以欢迎，来州长扶那个男家喽。这是真的，快点，来，一起上节目要的，来，要的来，这个多谢咱家哦，咱家的副主席叫廖碧龙山，给你做主席吧。像做兄弟真啊，哦，安尼哦，做主席嘛，然后帮我介绍，因为我就介绍来啊，欢迎个。我就爱甲伊一直当节目咧出工嘅哦。我最近出算的代志哦，这里在手牵手大家一直去读小哦，我从台湾回，你讲我迄是有版权啊，我这个当然节目发现我就那个太太先进来，我就这样讲，有这个，当然节目可以的。老头是林年华，唔是啦，迄个当然节目发言人啦，发言人啦，迄个。
For those of you who are just joining us, welcome. We are so happy to see you all.
这么做董事长，
我们的舞狮团精彩的表演，欢迎大家。
Before we get on with the rest of our program, I want to take time to acknowledge the generosity of our sponsors. There are 2 round trips tickets to the SFO Taipei raffle on today. If you have not purchased your raffle tickets yet, please do so.
谢谢大家的支持跟鼓励。我们今天还有抽奖活动哦，奖品有包含来回机票从旧金山到台北，可以再多买几张抽奖券哦。
If everybody could please take your seats.
请大家先回座。
Once again, for those of you just now joining us, welcome. We are so happy to see you all.
再次感谢大家来参加今年的新春年会，欢迎。
My name is Leona Chen.
我是 Arthur Chen.
And we are so grateful to be your MCs for today's program.
很荣幸今天来担任主持人。
If everybody feels Shay for opening remarks.
掌声欢迎。
掌声收细声，收细声，我要注意。大家好，大家好，大家好 ，Happy Lunar New Year。First， 声一下好不好？I hope our bilingual MC and the universal language of grateful will make you feel very welcome. The rest of the time, I will speak Taiwanese. 来出镜，庄主任，沈博阳立委，庄瑞雄立委。
Rush，
各位花大乡会的会长代表，各位乡亲，大家新年快乐！ 掌声啊，伤过细就表示你无注意听我讲话，啊，我就要停止讲话啦，我5分钟尔时间到，我就落去啊。今年10月我开始接联合会这个工课吼，嘛知影我背景的人，拢知影我是对教会人吼来社团服务的，所以有人讲。规划，你做成迄叫怎么讲？步入丛林的小白兔。错，擦掉，想讲我是小白兔，我是刘姥姥进大观园。我真欢喜会当进入这个大家庭，这个大家庭，等到我拍算，要好好啊去了解。这个北加州台湾东乡联合会时阵，我发现到原来罗总统嘛真了解，萧副总统嘛真了解，罗处长也搁较了解，庄主任不了解，所以我即马拢无爱讲因知影的代志，我要甲恁讲，互我真感动的代志。北加州台湾东乡联合会是一群你会当信靠、值得你支持的一个团体。伫我要讲这以前，我要来多谢咱的前会长张正邦，唔知会会到有伫个张正邦。伊是一个执行力足强的会长吼，前2年甲咱带，搁拄着台湾选举吼，代志足济吼，伊的养分，我感谢你。搁有一件互我真感动的代志，就是这个大家庭，毋是一个富裕的家庭，但是阮拢做富裕家庭咧做的代志。旧年的花莲的地震，阮募着超过阮所有的能力的骨力杯，阮全数甲送去到花莲。值得你甲拍鼓啊无？台湾东乡联合会，毋是一个名称，也毋是一个名词。也毋是代名词，也毋是形容词，伊是一个动词，是一群行动力非常强的人在做这个代志。我要甲恁介绍阮的李欧娜，伊毋捌做过会长，伊就是做过副会长甲秘书，但是伊拄头到尾，伊尽心尽力，伊为着。所以最后，因为我拄啊5分钟尔吼，最后，请你关注，再关注，因为最重要的3个关注吼，请您关注台湾东乡联合会过来要做的代志，关注了，请您继续支持。我要讲啥物？我有一件足重要的代志要讲，但是我伤过激动去啊！今仔日足欢喜的，看到你台湾东乡联合会将来毋捌亲像即边安尼，将来毋捌过，咱1个月前就无票啊！我接到的电话拢是安怎？已经无票啦，真歹势吼，就是已经无票啦。来，咱现在坐甲弯，好毋好？咱即时甲逐个人拍鼓啊，好毋好？多谢你今仔来光临，希望你有快乐的一天。
的信用，伫咧经济文化运动的信用，伫咧经济文化运动外交等各方面，拢继续进步，继续行向世界。咱侨胞是国民的延伸，北加州台湾东乡联合会。 成立已经超过半世纪，不只是北美洲苗的台湾人社团，更加是旧金山地区最大的台湾同乡会组织。我要特别感谢大家，长久以来完成台湾的民主发展，也积极支持台湾的国际参与，更加举办各种的活动，让更较侪人认识台湾，斗阵支持台湾。因为各位的尽心尽力甲付出，台湾和美国的交流愈来愈侪，关系嘛愈来愈密切。这几年来，足感谢拜登总统，甲伊率领的政府继续对台军售，也动用总统拨款权，并且透过外国军事用资来为台湾提供军事援助，协助台湾提升国防力量，展现对台湾安全的支持。去年年底，台美21世纪贸易倡议第一批协定嘛已经正式生效，这是台湾和美国经贸关系重要时刻。不只是伫外交、国防、国安、经贸方面，台湾也和美国伫教育、文化、产业等各方面有真侪合作的成果。现在，川普总统已经就任，咱希望透过台美人的力量，让台湾和美国合作的脚步继续大步向前。未来，阮会继续努力，让台湾和民主同伴手牵手、心连心，共同合作，赢去民主保护线，守护民主自由的生活方式。促进世界和平繁荣。最后，再次感谢各位乡亲的贡献。新的一年，咱继续斗阵拍拼，祝福年会圆满顺利成功。多谢大家。
北加州台湾同乡联合会会长，咱所有海外乡亲朋友，大家好！我要感谢大家伫海外长期关心台湾的民主甲发展，嘛为咱台湾甲台湾来交朋友。台湾是海外乡亲永远的故乡，欢迎大家有闲的时阵，定定倒来台湾，行行来看看。最后嘛要借这个机会，祝福大家平安健康，新年恭喜！嘛要祝福咱北加州台湾同乡联合会的年会圆满成功，感谢大家。
会的开幕典礼来录影，今仔日已经是12月26，后日就是咱的小年夜，我要伫遮来祝福大家事事如意，时来运转。双喜临门，有舍有得，恭喜大家，恭喜发财！借着这个机会，我要感谢咱台湾同乡联合会，长期拢为着台湾的未来伫走总，为台湾来发声，互世界看会到台湾。嘛要特别感谢黄会长甲所有的干部用心来规划这届的活动，表达阮上深的敬意，而且嘛借这个机会向大家请安问好。咱北加州台湾同乡会创立到即马已经52年啊，伫个各界会长、副会长甲干部的努力之下，已经是成做咱北美洲真重要的台湾人社团。长期拢一直咧确保台湾的尊严、团结，联络乡亲的感情，团结咱侨社的和谐，全世界拢看会到台湾，贡献真正有够大。侨委会的任务就是咧服务咱全球的侨胞。希望会当伫个侨界来服务联系，互咱所有海外侨界会当搁较认同台湾、支持台湾，互咱侨团的传承嘛会当搁较顺利。这几年来，咱除了搁较深入了解咱侨胞的需要，咱嘛推动真侪新的服务，包括有爱超卡，包括有智能客服等等新的管道，希望会当提供咱所有北加州的朋友。搁较侪资料来运用，嘛欢迎真侪咱伫北加州的优质店家会当来加入咱爱超卡的特约商店。未来侨委会会继续用咱有限的资源来对大家提供搁较好的服务，嘛会联系各部会甲民间团体共同来发挥咱台湾的优势，帮助侨胞伫个海外发展，嘛会甲侨胞联合。来加深台湾甲美国伫个政治、经济、文化 等等各方面的关系甲友情。根据最新美国的财经月刊公布，咱台湾伫咧全世界上好呀国家内底排名第14名，会当讲2000万以上的人口，咱是排名第3名。伫咧咱头前只有2个国家，这是咱全民共同努力的结果。不单单是经济的发展，台湾的社会甲政治的发展嘛受到世界真大的肯定。伫咧美国的智库传统基金会新的一年经济自由报告内底，台湾伫咧184个经济体内底排名第10，亚洲地区咱会当排名第2，是历年来上介好的成绩。这嘛显现政府伫咧推动经济自由化的成果。我伫遮要搁一届向咱各位乡亲报告，咱伫咧网络的自由度，虽然全世界拢连续下降，但是台湾的网络自由度永远是世界排名真头前，亚洲第1名，全世界第7名。伫咧民主的指数方面，咱伫咧167个国家排名第10名，亚洲永远是第1名。除了这个民主经济的成果之外，我相信咱嘛看会到，去年咱伫咧棒球、伫咧奥运，咱拢有诚好的成绩。咱少年一辈的努力，各位乡亲拢看会到。拜托咱所有
支持，不管金钱还是精神上的支持，你以前的支持，甲你即摆的支持，甲你未来的支持，台湾东乡联合会拢是值得你信任的。多谢您，谢谢。
Thank you so much。
现在大家欢迎驻旧金山办事处处长赖明琪为我们致辞。
Please welcome to the stage the Director General of the Taipei Economic and Cultural Office of San Francisco, Mr. Scott Lai.
欢迎。
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for inviting me to be on Taiwan. And I have to say, with your support, currently the U.S.-Taiwan relations are at its best for the past 46 years. For example, last year, 2024, Taiwan is the 7th largest trading partner of the U.S. The U.S. is the 2nd largest trading partner of Taiwan. But I'm very sorry to say, Taiwan will enjoy a trade surplus about 64 billion US dollars. And that is why my wife always goes shopping, try to balance the deficit. And that's why she is not here today. And second, you people are good friends of Taiwan. And otherwise, who else will come out on Saturday morning? So by celebrating Lunar New Year together, I am very confident to say that I can count on your continuous support in the coming year. And once again, thank you very much for inviting me. And now I'd like to say a few words in Taiwanese. 咱有会长，咱立法委员、陈委员、新委员，咱各位贵宾，咱乔委员、陈委员还有吴委员、王委员、吴委员跟林委员，各位乡亲。各位律师先生，大家好！今日非常欢迎参加咱联合会2025年年会。首先在遮向各位拜年，要祝咱各位在座律师愈来愈青春，愈来愈美丽。祝咱各位在座男士愈来头毛愈乌，愈多像咱新闻咁快但是上重要是要祝咱各位乡亲伫新的一年每一个人心想事成，平安健康。其次我要用这个机会真感谢咱各位乡亲伫咧过去一年对我台北居民处的支持尤其咱去年联合会伫咧咱年轻有为、英俊潇洒张正邦会长的带领之下，举办了很多的活动尤其在去年5月份台湾传统周伫咧这个会场挤了满满的人潮，非常的成功。今年咱是新任的吴会长，我甲吴会长是中北会的会员，不过咱吴会长伊年轻漂亮，精力充沛，我对伊非常有信心我相信咱吴会长今年一定会 举办很多更多更好的活动，来乡亲吼。啊，另外要向各位报告一件代志吼，阮台北金门处吼新的办公大楼已经伫咧去年10月21号对外正式使用。哦，2楼的礼物大厅嘛已经正式开放了，后咱的乡亲吼，希望大家多多利用哦。嘛欢迎咱伫遮吼，咱吴会长有时间带咱联合的干部做伙来阮的办公大楼来甲我参观指教。最后我向大家报一件代志，就讲吼，即摆美国甲台湾的关系是愈来愈好哦，因为即摆支持台湾是一个跨党派共识。不过我嘛是要希望咱各位。
金山湾区侨教中心主任庄雅淑，谢谢。
Please welcome to the stage the Director of the Culture Center of the Taipei Economic and Cultural Office of San Francisco, Sophia Zhuang.
掌声欢迎。
处长，阁有咱黄国华会长，阁有咱立法委员，咱沈博阳立法委员，咱庄瑞雄立法委员，咱所有侨务委员，咱所有台湾的乡亲，大家好。我是一直以来对着台湾的支持。我知影咱所有的乡亲朋友有台湾有代志，大家都会站出来。所以头拄咱总统、副总统，甲有委员长，拢甲大家说多谢。伫遮我嘛要来甲大家多谢，多谢着对着咱侨务的支持。咱知影讲，咱去年伫咱东乡联合会支持之下，推动着咱台湾加入联合国，台湾加入 WHA 的代志。伫遮嘛是互咱世界看到台湾的一个足重要的场域。所以伫遮要来多谢咱张正邦前会长，嘛要来多谢咱，嘛要来多谢咱。王桂华会长会到支持，更重要的是要多谢咱所有在座的乡亲的支持今日咱总统、副总统特别送来一个咱的新年的祝福新年的祝福。咱侨中心放伫咱的接待柜台，乡亲朋友若有需要会当去咱接待柜台来提伫遮咱头拄委员长嘛有甲大家介绍咱爱侨卡今年咱爱侨卡有足侪咱的新的咱台湾的企业加入像咱遮有美而美、咱金麦面包、咱段纯生牛肉面、咱爱台湾 food， 阁有咱乡亲朋友若要转去台湾探亲，也是要伫世界来走走咱爱侨卡都是最好用的。大家若有需要咱接待柜台遮嘛有迄爱侨卡。阁有总统的福袋会当摕多谢。做个时间，谢多谢咱所有台湾乡亲对着台湾的上天，嘛要祝福着所有乡亲伫新的一年平安、健康、快乐。多谢。
各我的同乡这文教中心的庄主任郭组长，阁有咱在场所有的侨务委员，咱海外乡亲。咱这兄弟是大好朋友，大家午安，午安，大家好。上我立法院的好同事，我就无甲称呼啦即届来拄啊，蒙拉兼洗裤啦沈博阳这算民进党，阮好无容易栽培出来这也有学问有学识，阁能冲、能撞、能打，而且又耐打，拍我者。伊这算杨博士伊这算来美国带了7单，我这算土博士，我一抓都要来 Stanford 大学都要来遮做访问学人都知影大家今仔日这春节的一个即个日国会内底大家去看着台湾感觉足感慨明明都民进党选尔，咱感觉就知影当咧执政安尼阮伫国会预算当审刷审刷，这审刷了后呢足济一个法案，这个法案我想海外乡亲大家知影，迄嘛恁无希望的一个法案。你看咱隔壁日本都会晓讲日本台湾有事就是日本有事，台湾的代志一定是咱海外乡亲的做伙大家共同的代志，对不对？我知影大家都关心台湾啦阮审一个预算审刷了迄隔壁 阿强啊，中国啊吼，我甲阮交你啊，毋知吼，啊甲国民党学了啊，佮甲咱排学了啊，你看这啥物世界？审一个预算心刷，美国政府即摆当啊，川普当啊就职了哦，你看国务卿出来讲，讲中国啊，你稍安勿躁，不要轻举妄动。啊，中国啊，所当啊，甲阮调调的咧，甲民进党调调的，啊，甲国民党、甲民众党甲学落啦吼，所以这天黑一片啦。啊，但是不管安怎吼，我知影大家咱海外乡亲啊，伫海外对台湾非常支持。啊，阮民主进步党，我甲陈柏尧，我想阮立法院这同事啊，放心，阮会甲台湾顾条条。互恁大家转去到台湾的时候，你会想着讲海外乡亲，台湾就是大家永远的故乡，对不对？我们会很努力，我们真的会很努力，我们会很努力把台湾给顾好。我想这是大家共同的愿望啊！台湾大家都清楚，上好的朋友在美国，啊，我嘛选美国，啊，我嘛挖美国，大家讲唔好选边站，啊，无咁要选阿强迄边的，选袂落吧，对不对吼？所以我们也真的是爱美国啊，我们也选择美国哦。啊，我唔是讲阮不爱中国，实在是一定要咱拍哦，啊，定咧甲咱威胁，足讨厌，足气惨啊！啊，今仔实在是这年会刷了陈柏尧的场，我都无通啊像伊讲遐济，所以我就加讲几句啊。啊，而且新的一年啊，蛇年呐吼，祝福大家什么都赞哦。新的一年平安健康，有闲等来台湾行行的。祝福大家，谢谢大家，谢谢。
Stage Carmen Matano and Evelyn Chua, Mayor and Vice Mayor of Milpitas.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. The mayor for the city of this great city of Milpitas, and I have here also council member of elegance and transformation. And when I related that to our public service, to give us the wisdom, we have the wisdom to make the right decisions for our constituents, for the voters, for the residents of Milpitas. Also, the charm, to be able to charm people, especially me, because I love to sing. And also, the elegance, because when you are an elected official, you represent your city. And then lastly, transformation. Transformation to be able to change. I might not agree with something, but then I might change my mind. I said, yeah, you're right. Let's go this way. So anyway, thank you again, and again, happy Lunar New Year. And here is our City Council member, Evelyn Chua.
Thank you so much, Mayor. And every year we come here, and it's always so nice to see you again. And every year I come here, I have a personal translator right here. She translates for me, so I kind of know what's going on. And I'm going to ask you a question. Besides the City Hall, what's the other most important building in Milpitas?
This one right here.
Yay! It's TECO, Technical, Economic and Cultural Office here in Milpitas. Thank you so much for making Milpitas your home. Welcome.
Also, we have a commendation from the city of Milpitas. This is the Taiwanese American Federation of Northern California for its 52nd annual Lunar New Year celebration. Come on up and get your... I think it's, I don't know.
Thank you both. Always so nice to see you both. Happy Lunar New Year. Please welcome to the stage.
Very fortunate. We are a predominantly Asian American city. More than 2/3 of our residents are from Asia, primarily from China, India. We have all the others, Filipinos, Vietnamese, and we're a great community where we celebrate all the rich cultures. And I want to thank Director Lai for always including City of Fremont in all your efforts. And of course, Miss Sophia from the Tico Center, always been very welcoming, and also a Fremont resident. Yeah, go Fremont. And Miss Jenny Cole, thank you for all your efforts. So it's a great honor to be here. I also have a proclamation from the city of Fremont, from my entire city council. I would welcome Ms. Angel and maybe Director Lai and Ms. Sophia if you want to come. Are you? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. And thank you for all you've done, Michelle.
Thank you all so much. Thank you so much for being here. It means so much. Thank you all so much. Thank you so much for being here. It means so much to us. Next up, we wanted to introduce
When Love is More Than Words. When Love is More Than Words. 这本册是咧讲咱台湾人有时虽然无用嘴讲我请你，也是我爱你，但是阮行动表示咱会请，亲像阿嬷会摕写果子互我食，还是我看病哭哭扫的是妈妈抹药啊。这本册是咧讲你阿公，这本册是我你阿公的病房写的。迄讲我早过日去病院看阿公，伫病房的时阵，我坐伫阿公的身躯边，我一句话拢无讲，但是阮拢会请婉婉。后来我想要甲迄个感觉写落来。伫这本册内底，你会当看到台湾人的文化，也会当看读台语。甲会当看到咱台湾的电影是 Amazon 去买，但是吼，你若今仔日伫遮卖一本册，我会使替恁签名。你若去册店的事，我都无法度。感谢恁今仔日互我一个机会讲话。最后，我要甲大家讲，新年容喜，身体健康，万事亨通。
Hi, my name is Ellie Yang Camp. It's so good to be with you here today. I see so many familiar faces. I used to come to this event when I was a little girl, and so it's really great to see you again here today. This is my book. It's called Louder Than the Lies, Asian American Identity, Solidarity, and Self-Love. It came out in October, so it's only been a couple of months. But, so I used to be a high school history teacher. I used to teach education about what it meant to be not just our ethnic identity like Taiwanese or American, but specifically Asian American history education. So I don't know if you can see from my book. So usually when we think about being Taiwanese American, we think about our Taiwanese identity, right? We think about our American identity, and we usually just think it's a combination of these two. But the more you learn about American history, US history, is we find out there's actually a secret third identity that we all get just from coming to the United States, and that has to do with race. But there is not a lot of education about this in the United States, and especially among Asian Americans, because usually when we talk about race, it has to do with black and white. But race absolutely impacts our everyday lives as Asian Americans. So this is what my book is about. It is trying to explain all the ways Asian Americans are impacted by race by living in the United States. Okay, you can go to the next slide. So we are impacted by race in everyday ways, even when we don't think about it. So these are just like really common news headlines that we see, you know, whether it's about the bamboo ceilings or affirmative action was a big debate, right? We have studies coming out about young Asian American youth, about mental health issues. All of these things have to do with our racial identity. But a lot of times we don't know how to talk about it because we haven't learned enough about what race in the United States means. So that is what my book is trying to do. Okay, so next slide. Next slide. Okay, oops. So I live your life more fully. And so I wrote this book to be very easy to understand, but also very easy to apply to your life. So The San Francisco Chronicle called it approachable inviting. My mom read it, she's here, but after she read it, she said, wow, I feel so liberated. I feel like I was in high school again, like someone was trying to teach me something in a kind way. And then also, one of my former students is actually Jeremy Lin, the basketball player. And so he gave me a very wonderful blurb where he said, actually, this also helped him understand more of what it meant for him to be Asian American and to represent that voice very clearly. So as Jocelyn said, we have books for sale in the corner. We would love to talk to you and share our books with you. Thank you. Before you go, we have a certificate for you from our President Angel Shea.
那这两个是咱台湾的囡仔吼，这么少年就出册吼，不管你是要买互你的孙，还是你要家己读吼，两本吼，20块、30块、50块尔支持少年囡仔。我希望台湾北加州台湾东乡联合会以后是甲遮的工课拢交互这代的少年囡仔，所以。 请大家人甲因支持吼，多谢因今仔日咱的少年人，咱伫遮聚会，咱嘛有一批英语部的少年人学等的，由因两个带领会伫楼顶，因嘛是因的聚会吼，咱即时间说多谢。
So once more, Ellie and Jocelyn's books are both for sale on site today, staged to my left. Please join us in supporting their amazing work and purchasing a copy or a few for your family.
Ellie 和 Jocelyn 的书今天就可以买得到哦，会在我的左侧方。大家
OK. Each of your admission tickets has a number on it that is for the raffle. So first off, we have the San Francisco Taiwanese Association 旧金山台湾同乡会。
健康，参政发财，身体健康不一解。等下吼。 像我穿这个衫，若讲有阮的 emergency 紧急的代志时阵啊，请大家听我的指挥，先讲一下啦吼。咱的 emergency 的啦吼，4个门拢会使吼，请大家唔好紧张安尼吼，因为即马 WiFi 啦、地动啦，吼，拢有可能发生吼，当大家发生啦，大家请注意安全，多谢。
Thank you so much. And now for the raffle, hold on to your entrance tickets. We're going to look for a number.
GA 165.
165. If that's you, raise your hand. 165. This is your admission ticket.
Đại家好，我是 Jennifer， 我是台湾同乡会会长。阮台湾前50天，阮有阮台湾的时段，台湾的即个扛棒建立甲足好的根基。即摆阮少年的会拍拼，阮会让阮即个扛棒扛起来，然后嘛，让阮即个扛棒插互金细细，大家欢迎会当来参加阮的活动，嘛，大家请大家支持联合会，多谢。
Thank you so much.
OK， 我抽到的，我抽到的是 GA 342，GA 对啊，342啦，342呀
，342。Alright, next up we have the Silicon Valley Taiwanese Association 矽谷台湾同乡会。
大家好我是林建元，我即摆是矽谷同乡会的这个会长吼。今仔日我伫内有同学甲我讲是联合会做者活动，我拢无收到，无接到通知哦。我问讲你是参加倒一个会会，伊讲伊是南湾同乡会，所以我甲大家解说一下，讲矽谷跟南湾在地理上是大概同义字，但是咱遮有一个矽谷同乡会，也有一个南湾同乡会。矽谷同乡会是联合会，所以你若对联合会活动有兴趣欢迎来加入这个矽谷同乡会，多谢。
And what's the raffle number?
7A0474呢47。
Number 47, if that's you, come on up. Next up, we have the North American Taiwanese Women's Association Northern California Chapter, 北美洲台湾妇女会北加州分会。
我是江诗怡，代表我们会长刘明祥，祝大家新年快乐，万事如意。
And the raffle ticket number is
GA 182
182. 182, that's you, come on up. Next up, we have the Taiwanese Alliance for Interculture, 台湾协智会。
大家好，我是张建邦，我现在是协智会会长。协智会为1973年成立，所以嘛是算50 plus 的一个协会啊。所以我爱特别介绍一下我的创会会员，迄当阵1973年我有7个人，即摆一个单独伫遐90岁，听起来90岁看不出来哈。所以协智会真感谢大家长年来照顾，协智会我会继续努力，尤其是今年我开始有协智会的网站 TAI Taiwan.org， 所以大家有兴趣有时间的时阵来去看。啊，我有2件代志要甲大家报告。一个是我已经收集所有韩籍会刊，为1973年甲1980年拢总出版18期，啊，拢伫网站，我所稿拢一页一页甲伊 scan 放伫网站内底。啊，希望大家有时间来看看咧18期。啊，另外一个是蓬莱歌剧团，拢总为1976年甲2009年拢总搬25届，啊，拢总搬25届咧，所以拢总33年。在座介济拢是以在男主角甲女主角啦，啊，甲大家拍谱啊写一个好无？多谢因这33年为台美人的社团的贡献，因的搬的戏足好看。我阁查8个手稿，啊，无法度upload伫网站。如果你去参加咱的网站的时阵有看到你missing的这个手稿马上甲我通知，啊，我阁会甲伊藏起。我嘛有一大堆的video阁藏起，所以多谢大家，谢谢。
And the raffle ticket number is, hold on to your admission tickets.
GA 019 019.
That's you, come on up. Next up, one of the most prolific groups of the Federation, the Senior Taiwanese Association of Northern California, 北加州台湾长辈会。
北加州台湾乡会会，中央人前几年前代，爱附近一点，乡会会比较啲，就是年纪比较大，就是年纪大，并是讲，比人严重较慢，即个台湾有代志，我今日才知。
这无理解，这袂记，有你理解啦，无啥好彩。
不一定要个。
对啊，哎呦，这不是你啊，这不是，啊，你我做你就好。
75, GA 75, if that's you, come on up. Next up, the Southeast Bay Taiwanese Association, 东南湾台湾同乡会。
来位乡亲大家好，我毋是大家拢嘛知影我是，毋知我是，我歹做较清楚。我来讲，我毋是会长啦，阮的会长伫菲律宾咧做学会，伊是迄个，伊讲叫我看头看尾，我是。2012年迄阵，我就做联合会会长，我拢伫东南湾 东南湾的同乡会咧活动，我拢无看，因为我感觉讲东南湾同乡会需要一个人照顾，所以我真正哦，就是讲这10年来，联合会会长5、6个拢是东南湾出来。即马佫想办法伫东南湾咧找，所以我感觉讲吼，东南湾是一个足小的团体，有球队，有网球队，有高尔夫球队，有老空间。我带他们遮咧玩哦，我感觉足欢喜，足荣幸。哦，你若伫24路的依然，吼。米皮塔是100，对这边海边甲你们某，你拢才是算属对东南湾，你大家拢会使来参加。阮是一个足小的团体，但是是一个足活动的团体。以上。我听到的号码这个是153条。GA153。
OK 大家好，我甲阿姊会长无共吼，大家拢捌阿姊大家拢毋捌我。OK， 我是陈一茂代表中半岛。那因为时间已经到中午12点，大家要吃饭，所以就是说我只讲一句。一个 advice 至少一个广告。OK，2月15号，我中半岛要举办年会，北中岛第2 South San Francisco。OK， 阮办的年会一定是非常轰动，一定是非常热闹红包拿不完的啦。OK， 所以拜托大家尽量来参加，好不好？大家邀请一下。好，多谢。
Thank you so much。中半岛台湾同乡会。
我这个 GA116
116. If that's you, come on up. Thank you so much. So as you can see, we have over 100 prizes today. So if you have not put your admission ticket in here yet, please do so immediately. We also have more.
Reporter.
Table captains, please make sure you are marking off your tickets once you have received your bento. This helps us make sure everybody gets a bento today. Thank you so much.
这里有2个，他们有2个。
你们把那个票画上好。有，已经画了，
都画了。
来，这边来。
你来。
好，1、2、3。